How to share the links on the Temu app. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, of course, we go ahead and open the Temu app. Once it loads up, find the product that you want to share the link of with your friends or family. So let's say I want to share these slippers right there, so I tap on them. I can find a lot of information about the slippers, so once I make sure these are the ones that I want to share, tap on the share box in the top right corner right here. For me, you can share directly using the social media apps, or you can tap on copy link in the bottom and you can paste it and share it with people however you want. If you want to share your link, tap here in the bottom and then tap on earn credits and free gifts. Tap on any option from here. I'm going to choose the last one and then tap on this golden button right there. You can from here share the links again directly using the social media apps, or you can copy the link in the bottom right here and share it however you want. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.